So use of standard hierarchy for a profit center. Okay, now for controlling area.
So please show the for cost center part.
Same way, but it is applying for the same thing. Profit center is also it is saying same thing. Just 1 minute. Maybe I have mistaken it. Just wait. Oh. It is not copied this standard hierarchy. Not on everybody. So what is saying? Standard hierarchy is a tree structure which displays the organization of all the profit centers in one controlling area. The structure elements in the standard hierarchy are the profit center area and the summarization area. Not required. The profit center area is an end point in the tree structure which is not at the top and can have profit centers assigned to it when you maintain a standard hierarchy. Next, when you maintain the settings of a controlling area, you must enter the name of the standard hierarchy for the profit center assigned to that controlling area. So when you create a profit center, you must assign it to the end node of the standard hierarchy. This ensures that standard hierarchy contains, this is the main point. This is the main point. Okay, done. So we will proceed.
Then wait for me.
So this is for the cost center. So I am removing this. Not required. Yes. Put it somewhere else. Now, noted use of standard hierarchy.
Noted, sir.
Over.
Yes, sir. Can you explain it, please?
So 0 KE5, right? So we will create a standard hierarchy and that will be specified in every profit center that is being created. So that way that profit center is linked in the hierarchy. We don't miss anything profit center separate. Right? So we are linking the profit center to a hierarchy. So what is the hierarchy I am creating here? TEE profit center hierarchy, one hierarchy I am creating. Next, elimination of internal business volume. Elimination of internal business volume. So what it is, now just understand, now you are dividing the company into profit centers. Correct. So now there is a possibility of competition between the profit centers. Correct. See, for example, now understand. So now suppose I have created something like this. So I have created Hyderabad profit center separately. Bangalore profit center separately, and Delhi profit center separately. Suppose. Now in my Hyderabad, I am manufacturing, say I am manufacturing laptops. In Bangalore, suppose we are manufacturing desktops. Okay, right? Something like that. In Delhi, we are manufacturing some other gadgets, say something like printers. Okay, now. So now, say something to manufacture laptop, we need what we are manufacturing motherboards also, right? So this is also one important component. We are doing it here. Okay. Now, so now the same component can be used for the desktops also. Correct. So whatever the motherboard is there, that is a part, that is a material, raw material, that is a component for the laptops. Now same component can be used for the desktops also, right? It is a semi, it is what it is a semi-finished good. Correct or not? If my laptop is a finished good, this motherboard is a semi-finished good. So that also we are manufacturing in Hyderabad. Now just understand, we are selling this motherboard, we are selling this motherboard to outside market also. Correct? So outside people also we are selling. Yeah. So to outsiders, suppose we are selling it for 10,000 rupees. Correct. This is the selling price. This is the selling price to outside people. Correct. But our cost price for this is so it is costing us around 6,000 rupees. So how much profit we are making?
40%.
4,000 we are making. Correct? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now Bangalore people are requesting us. So Bangalore people are saying, please provide the motherboards for our desktops. So now you tell me, when you have the profit center, if profit center accounting is not there, we will happily supply. Yeah, you are also my company, I am also your company. We both are one company. So I will supply the motherboards to you. We are not bothered. But now you have a profit center accounting now. We are drawing the lines. This is my profit, that is your profit. Correct. So we are asking the performance of each profit center separately. Correct. Tomorrow we are going to call Hyderabad people, show me your performance. Correct. So now when you are selling, now you understand the point here. When we are selling to our Bangalore PC, now you tell me what price you will sell.
Cost price.
Same 10,000.
If you sell at cost price, then Bangalore people will say thank you to you. Why?
They will have a lot of profits.
Yeah. So this 4,000 you are giving to them, na, happily.
Yes, sir.
So if they have to buy in not from you but from outsiders, they will have to pay 10,000.
Yes.
But you are giving it for 6,000, na? So 4,000 you are earning and giving it to them. Correct or not? So do you want to give it 6,000 really?
No.
This is internal transfers. Huh?
No.
Yeah, internal
12,000.
transfer. But what about your profit center performance?
Performance. Yes, sir. It will be affect.
It will affect, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So all the motherboards you are manufacturing, you are selling cost price, then what is the hard work you have done? Zero, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
If you look at separately, then it is a problematic, na? So then there is a concept called transfer pricing. Transfer pricing we call it. So now we have to decide, na? Now we cannot sell
Yes,
it
sir.
for 10,000, yeah? That is also not correct. We cannot sell it for 6,000, also not correct. So we will sit and decide transfer price. Correct?
8,000. 8,000.
Somewhere 8,000, yeah? Yeah. So that is what is. So, but this 8,000 also not correct, na? So in this 8,000 we have how much profit?
2,000. 2,000.
2,000.
So this 2,000 also we are generating from our own company, na?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what you do is, so there is one option here, right? To avoid this competition, what you are saying, elimination of internal business volume. So you are telling them, no matter how much profit you earn from our own people, we will not consider. You understand?
Sir, we can maintain parallel profits, sir.
We can maintain.
Parallel profits, I mean equal profits.
Yeah, but whatever profit. So now you are saying, so suppose you are saying, I earned 2000 rupees, kada? 2000 rupees into 1000 units, which are sold to whom?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Now, is this really profit? Our own people, you are earning the profit, right?
Yes, sir.
Within the company, can you call it a profit?
No, sir.
No, right?
Bangalore
So
branch.
when you are calculating the profit of the Bangalore, when you are calculating the profit of Hyderabad, we cannot take this profit, na? Correct? Into consideration. So when you say it is saying, no, if you want to consider, it's okay, but you can elimination of internal business volume. I don't want to consider that business we are doing within the company. Not bothered. Even if so, the profit that you are generating within the company, not good. Correct. So to avoid the competition between the company, between the profit centers, we are saying elimination of internal business volume. We don't want that business volume within the company. Clear? Elimination of internal business volume, right? So whatever is business is happening within the company code, that business is not considered as a performance. Correct? Yes. Now.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if client asks, she can remove that.
Yeah. So he wants to consider that, then we will remove.
Okay. Sir.
If he does not want it, then we will put it. Is
Okay.
it
Sir.
clear? Yeah. There is an
Okay.
option here.
Okay. Sir.
Now, profit center local currency type. What is my local currency type? I'm saying controlling area currency. Okay. Same as controlling. So 20 I'll give. Now, so note down. So store transaction currency. Note down. Take this. Okay. Note down everybody. So I am creating the PCA controlling area settings. Okay. Note down.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, PCTR local, here we are giving 20. Why, sir?
Yeah, because this is a controlling area. Which currency you will follow? Correct? Which currency? Your controlling area currency or some other currency? Which currency you want to follow for the profit center account?
Okay, sir.
PCTR is nothing but profit center. Profit center local currency type. Same.
This elimination of entire business volume. So if we take that, how much the amount is given to company, that will not consider in profit center.
Exactly. So this business, whatever the business they are doing, na, this between Hyderabad to Bangalore, whatever business is there, na,
Yes, sir.
that we don't consider for the profit center reports.
Okay.
Okay. Now step number 3, note down everybody.
We are not saved that, sir.
We have not saved, really?
Saved.
Na?
No, sir. No.
Step number 3.
Hello, sir.
We have to save that.
Create a dummy profit center. Okay, note down.
Sir, can you? Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in which case we have to remove the strict elimination of business volume? Can you explain?
It is the client requirement. If they want to consider the between the profit centers business they want to consider, we will not put that in.
Okay.
If they don't want, we will put that. Okay, as per the requirement of the business client, our client.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now note on 359. Create dummy profit center. Note on everybody. Now we need to know what is this dummy profit center. Dummy piece, dummy profit center.
Temporary one.
Demo piece.
Internal purpose.
Yeah, see, for example, there will be certain. So when profit center accounting is active, it will expect a profit center for every cost center. You understand? When profit center accounting is active, it will expect a profit center to be given for every cost center. Correct? So there cannot be a cost center not linked to any profit center. Correct. but it is not correct, na? Suppose we have our head office is there. Our head office, what do you think? It will come under Hyderabad, Bangalore, or Delhi?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Our head office, headquarters, where our general manager is sitting and taking a salary, na? General manager,
No, it will be separate.
headquarters.
Comes under any of these locations.
Now that all those people who are working in headquarters, head office, those salaries, those expenses, will you take in Hyderabad, Bangalore, or Delhi? Which profit center you will take?
In every profit center.
In every sector, sir.
Every center.
How you will take in every center?
Sir, because Hyderabad work for
Now this
or
is
every
the-
center.
Now you see
Not-
there is a headquarters cost center is there. Correct? Something
We
like
create like this, sir.
something like this. Yeah, we have a headquarters cost center. So all the headquarter level, head office level expenses are getting posted to this cost center. Is it clear? So now when I am posting the expenses to this cost center, now this cost center to which profit center I should link? Can you tell me?
Headquarters profit
Dummy.
center.
Dummy profit center. Correct? So later on, I will take it from the dummy to other profit center. But for now, when the cost center does not have any profit center, it will automatically post to dummy profit center. Correct? So if a cost center has a profit center, it will take it to that profit center. But if the cost center does not have any profit center, so it will post automatically to dummy profit.
Dummy for
That will be collected in the dummy profit center. From there, we will take it and distribute to other profit center. Is that clear? Yeah. So that is the use of the dummy profit center. So go here, go to KE 59. Okay, create. So there is separate screen for this to create the dummy profit center. Okay. So I am creating like this, a dummy piece. Okay, note down. This screen is exclusively to create the dummy profit center. So click on the basic data and here I will give my dummy piece. This is my dummy profit center. Person responsible, profit center manager. Profit center group, whatever I created, na hierarchy. You see how I am using? Yeah. Yeah. So I have not created a profit center group. Directly I am giving the hierarchy. Okay, now next, save. So this dummy profit center have been created. Next, step number.
Sir, go back, sir.
Show me one, sir.
Yes, no, no. Yes, no, no.
So validity period automatically comes 1/1/1950.
That is a standard, na? Even before SAP was born, they have given that date.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, don't worry. Unlimited they have.
Sir, one general question. In interview point of view, every T code we remember it, or concept is important.
Concept is important. Nobody will ask you the T code.
Even okay. Thank you.
Yeah, until and unless you tell them.
Okay.
Until and unless you tell them that you worked in one area and you are very strong in it. Correct.
Okay.
So you worked in one area for 1 year. So if you work for 1 year continuously in 1 year, one area, obviously you will use T codes na, and you will have the knowledge
Yes.
of T codes. Na. Then he will ask. So directly start of the interview, nobody will ask. Okay.
Thank you.
What is last?
So now, Dummy
So-
profit center we created now, step number 4. Next, yes. Set control parameters for actual data. Yeah, note down it. 1 KEF. Set control parameters for actual data. Step number 4. Step number 4. Set control parameters for actual data. So go to 1 KEF /n 1 KEF. Click on the new entries. Then I give from here. What is the year? Any year, yeah, 2021 or whatever. Line items, online transfer. No, no. Right. So transactions line items to be posted. Online transfer, I will allow.
Go back and come again.
Sir, locked, what is this?
So go back. So go to 1 KEF. Click on the new entries from year, this year, line items and online transfer. Okay, no, no. Okay, so that was step number 4, na? Yeah, save. Step number 5. Step number 5 is define number ranges for local profit center documents. Okay, local profit center documents, GB0. See, understand. Now the data it was flowing from FI to CO. In CO we maintained the number ranges. Now the data is not stopping in COs. The data is entering into profit center also. So again we have to maintain number range in the profit center account. Is it clear? So when the data is coming from FI to CO, in CO we maintain the number range. Na? Yes.
KAMP.
Correct. So now from CO it is not stopping there. It is moving from CO to PCA, right? Profit center. There also we should maintain the proof that it has come into profit center account. Okay. So go to GB02. Yeah, go like this. Go to GB02 /n GB02. Go like this. Click on the groups. And here you see we have a separate number range for planned documents, actual documents. So for planning, separate series, actual separate. So select plan, click on
Sir,
the
one showed from the first.
So here you go to GB02, click on the groups, edit groups, change groups, maintain groups. Select the plan document, click on the interval or group and interval maintain. What is the company code?
T.
And planned document for the direct posting. Insert interval. Number I am giving year 2021 from 1000 to 109, whatever number I want to give. Enter, save. So planned documents for direct posting. Planned documents for direct posting.
Repeat again.
No. So go back again. I am saying. So here go to GB02. Click on the groups. Planned document. Select this. Click on the interval. Maintain. Company code.
T.
Enter. Insert interval. Number 2021 from number 2 number. Okay, enter, save. So this is the number range for the planned document. Same way, I have to maintain the number range for the actual document also. So select actual, click on the interval, maintain. Company code, which company code? TE. Press enter. Now insert interval, number, which number? 2021. So I'm giving number like this, 2000.
Go slowly, sir.
I'm repeating every step. I'm repeating three times.
Same.
You know, today we have covered only 4 steps.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If we do like this, we will be here in 2023 also. Correct? Yeah. Please understand. Every step I'm repeating three times. Then actual planned I have just shown you. If you cannot
Same
do
step.
same thing for actual, correct? How can we become consultants? I don't understand. We are seniors now. We should be very used to SAP screens by now. Every step I am repeating for 2-3 people. Same thing. Repeat. Okay. Save. Okay. Now, so here I did for planned. Na? Same thing I did for actual. Select this. Interval. Maintain. Company code. TE. Enter. Okay. Then I maintain the series for the actual document. Planned document I maintain. Same way I am maintaining for actual document. Save. Next, step number 6. Right, note down. Create Hyderabad Profit Center. Create Hyderabad Profit Center and activate. That is KE51 is the T code. Okay, note down.
Sir, actually, what is the difference between planned document and actual document?
This question is for everybody. What is a planned document? What is an actual document?
Planned means
Plan
budget.
means what
Plan.
we are.
It's a
We have
version. What we
planned.
plan.
When we are planning,
Actual means what we are.
when we are planning, we will give some numbers. Na? When
Budget.
I post that will
Yes.
become a planned document. When I am posting expenses, that is actual expense.
Actual.
It is also a document. Correct? It's English, pure English. Now, so create Hyderabad Profit Center. Okay, now go here like this, KE51. So go like this, /n KE51. Go like this. So now we have just now created dummy profit center. Now I'm not creating dummy. I'm creating actual. HYDP. Okay, note down. KE51 is to create the profit center. Okay. Now click on the master data. Now here name, what is the name? This is my Hyderabad Profit Center. Right. Note down person responsible, Profit Center manager. Group, Profit Center group is the hierarchy, same hierarchy. Correct? So the top node I have already created, I am using it everywhere. No doubt.
You mean if we create another profit center also, we need to use the same hierarchy?
Exactly, correct. So the same top node I created, all the things are under the same tree. Save. So now, what is it? Some mistake happened. By mistake it has. Save. So now profit center hierarchy, profit center saved in inactive status. Inactive status. Now what I have to do? Activate.
Correct.
This is the activate button. Correct na? Activate. So profit center has been created. So today we have created our new profit center. Correct? We have created our new profit center.
Done, sir.
Okay, now. So now next what I have to do, what is the next step? The next step is step number 7. So now for this profit center, I need to take care of my revenues. I need to take care of my expenses.
Expenses.
Correct. So now first thing I am talking about the revenues. Okay, now tell me what I have to do for revenues for this profit center. I need to assign what? I need to assign a sales revenue account separately
Separately for each.
Hyderabad
for
For
Hyderabad.
profit center.
Correct.
Separate.
So the T code to assign is OKB. Now this, what do you call it? Default
Assign.
Asset account.
default account assignment.
Assignment.
Correct. Okay, the T code is OKB9. Yeah, please note down like this. OKB9. Assign a sales revenue account separately for Hyderabad. OKB9. So I'll go like this. OKB9.
So we have to create it.
What sales account? Huh? I think
Yes,
we
sir.
have now. We will use it.
Okay.
What is it?
Sales revenue.
FS00. This is a wrong
Sir,
company.
company code.
Now we have this now sales revenue.
No, sir.
Is this a cost element? Is this a cost element?
No,
Oh,
sir.
no, sir.
No, sir.
So we have to make it a cost element. Okay, change. Edit cost element.
Edit cost element.
So now revenue also I'm creating it as a cost element. You see now. Yeah. Enter. So now cost element category.
One.
Primary.
No. It is not
Revenue
cost.
11.
11,
11.
Revenue.
Now you understood? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So the expenses are cost category 1, primary cost. Revenues are 11 revenues.
Revenue.
Okay, so this is quite confusing actually. We see revenues also we are creating it as cost element. Correct or not? Revenues also we are creating it as cost element. It is wrong, but you should understand that cost element does not mean only cost. Cost element is something that will take the transactions, the data from FI to CO. Cost,
CO.
it is a carrier from FI to CO.
Data.
Correct? Yeah, kind of. Yes. So cost element does not mean only expense GL account. Cost element means revenue and expense GL account. Okay, save. See, I got revenue. Revenues, it is a cost element category they are saying. It is revenue, but it is a cost element category. Okay, save.
Sir, these revenues will not be cost centers, no, sir, because cost centers are expenses totally.
Cost center is definitely expense.
Yeah. And so elements it's a GL account, so it can be expenses or incomes.
Exactly, correct.
Sir. Sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, but you said for Hyderabad, we have to create another sales account.
Yeah, you have to create in effect actually, but I don't have another Bangalore profit center. I don't have right now. If I create one more, then I will create one more.
Okay, sir, sure.
Yeah. Okay. So now, so I will go to next assign /n OKB9. I'll go like. Okay, so new entries. Then I'll say what is my company code TE. What is my cost element? What is
3 lakh.
Yes, sir.
3 lakhs.
3 lakh? Yes, 3 lakh. This cost element I will link to which profit center?
Hyderabad profit
Hyderabad
center.
profit.
So what do you understand? Whenever I am selling to this cost element, whenever I post customer to sales 3 lakh, it will go to where?
Profit center.
Hyderabad profit center.
Hyderabad profit center.
Hyderabad profit center. Is it clear? So I have given a direct link between the GL account and profit center. So whenever I am selling using this GL account, it will automatically flowing into Hyderabad profit center in CO. Correct?
When we post with this, it
You
will
understand? See, in FI, I am posting expenses to cost centers. Correct? Correct? Expense GL accounts to cost centers. From cost centers, it is going to profit centers. Correct. But for revenue GL accounts, there is a direct connection.
Between profit centers.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in
This is-
CO, now we are
this is what is default account assignment. Now we are repeating multiple times. Correct or not? This is what is this?
derivative.
Derivation rule.
Derivation rules.
Correct, na? Yeah. Okay. So there is no direct connection here, but here we have a direct connection between GL and profit center. So now why we have to create this as a cost element? Because this is a CO component. Na? Profit center is not FI. Profit center is CO.
Yes.
When I want this data to come from FI to CO, of course this should be a cost element. Na? You got it?
Yes.
So this is expense GL account is in FI. Cost center is in CO. Correct. So that's why I'm creating this as a cost element to take the data from expense to cost center, which is in CO. Now this PC is also a CO, na? PC profit center is not in F. The profit center is in FI or CO.
CO, sir.
CO.
Correct. So now understand. So now here I want this data that is getting posted to revenues in FI to flow to profit center in
Profit
CO.
center.
So for this flow, what I have to do? This I have to convert as a cost element. Na?
Cost
Same thing
element.
I did.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Sir,
let's
For what reason we created a dummy profit center and like in which scenario we use dummy profit center?
that all I discussed. Na? Can anybody tell me why we create a dummy profit center?
If we don't have the
Cost center, it will directly go to that profit, respect to the
profit center,
center. But if there is no profit center, then it will be going to dummy.
dummy
Dummy profit center. All right. Thank you.
See here when profit center accounting is activated, always profit center we have already activated. If you see here
Yes, sir.
/n OKKP, we have in the OKKP for our controlling area TEE. If you see assignment of cost components, we have already activated here. So profit center accounting is already, when it is activated, and if it is not able to, and we have done the 0 KE5 settings also, yeah, when we have done the controlling area settings, not this one, 0 KE5, right, controlling area settings for PCA, then it will start expecting a cost profit center for every cost center. Correct. So if there is a cost center for which there is no profit center like headquarters and all, then automatically it will take the dummy. You see, I did not give it here. It is
All right.
automatically taken.
Okay.
Correct.
Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
So now step number 8. 8 is what? So revenues part is over now. What about expenses? What we have to do?
Derivation rule.
Derivation. So what is derivation? What should I do?
Cost centers.
Assign cost center to P.
We need to
Correct.
Profit center.
profit
So you
center.
know all the cost centers I have to link to Hyderabad. PC,
Hyderabad
right?
profit center.
Okay, so let's go there. So go to /n KS02. This is my
So one
F1
by-
and yes,
One by one, we need to link that. Are all the costs and elements?
one by
will
one, one by one. So this is my F100. Which profit center it belong to?
HYDPG.
HYDPC.
Got it? Yes. So why it is saying this error we are warning we are getting? Because
status by vendor.
no. Already this cost center some data is there.
Yes.
As transaction data already exists. It is selling, previous data will not come. In real time, what you do, everything you do, then you post the data.
Yes.
Correct or not? In the beginning, it's
Sir, open the full warning, sir.
You see here what it is, as transaction data already exists. Correct. So in real time, what you do, you create everything, then you post the data. But here, what we are doing, topic by topic, we are doing. Na? So already cost center data is there. Correct or not? We posted, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that data will not come, na? No. because we are doing the connection today. Yesterday's data will not come, no? Correct? So that's why it is telling you, giving you the warning. Okay, save. Done. Next, what about other cost centers? F100, H?
100.
100.
So which profit center?
Same.
Save. Enter warning again. Enter. Next. P100. Okay. Again HYDPC. Then what is the last one?
F.
F100.
So now I have linked my cost centers to the profit center. So derivation also is completed. Clear? So the connection is done. So revenues connection is done. Expenses connection is done. Clear, everybody? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next, step number 9. So now what I can do is, I can start the planning also. Let's see. For cost centers, we were doing the planning, na?
Yes, sir.
For cost centers, we were doing the planning. So first
Yes, sir.
plan, then actual, then comparison. Correct or not? Correct or not? Actual, what is my, so you have done the cost center planning.
Budget.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so here you are planning for what? Only expenses you are planning. Correct or not? Then only actual expenses you are posting. Correct or not? Then comparison of expenses. Cost. Is it clear? So this is a lower level. Now what I can do for profit centers, same thing I can do. For profit centers, can I do like this? Yes. But what I can do is, I can do plan for revenue
And expense.
expenses and profit also.
Yes.
I can plan like this. Next month I should get this much profit. That is my target. You understand? Then actual is posted for revenue.
Expenses.
Yeah, profit will be derived automatically. Correct? Profit we don't post. It will come. Then comparison of
The revenues and expenses.
Revenues.
To get
revenue, expenses. What is my planned profit? What is my actual profit? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So next level I am doing higher level. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you see the difference now? So my thinking has expanded. I'm not thinking only at cost level, only expense level. I am thinking at a revenue level and then profit level. Correct, exactly. Okay. So this is comparison for every this I can do for every profit center. That is the logic. So I can plan for every profit center. I can do actuals for every profit center, comparison for every profit center. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this we will do tomorrow, right? Profit center planning we will do tomorrow. Okay, and try to remember whatever we have done today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right then. Thank you guys. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you.